What's up guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make millions of money by receiving SMS messages or text messages on your smartphone. In fact, you can make millions of money per day per the number of SMS messages that you are going to receive on your smartphone. I would like you to subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your friends, and hit the like button. You can also comment about this video or put your opinions at the comment section about this video. You can have the link of the app we are going to use today to make money at the description section. Please mind you, this app is not available on Google Play Store, so use the link at the description section. Yes, okay, now you get paid 0.02 euros for each received automatic SMS sent from our system. Click on next. So run the app in the background and wait for our SMS to deliver. Make sure that you have good internet connection and always remain online. Click on start. Okay, I've already created an account here, so I must sign up again to create a new account on Money SMS. So you just have to input your mobile number. Say, please check whether your phone number is eligible for registration. There are some numbers, if you use them you cannot register, so you must check with your phone number. So I just have to input my phone number, your valid phone number which you are going to receive the SMS messages on to make your money. So after inputting your phone number, just click on check to check if your phone number is eligible for registration. So now here comes the next step again on creating an account. You just have to input your Gmail account or email. So please enter your real email. It will be necessary for you to withdraw funds or restore access to your account. You create your password. Please look at the format of the password. If you don't use this format of creating your password, you'll not be eligible to create your account. The password must be in a format of this: letters mixed with alphabet and symbols. So you just enter my referral code here, which you can redeem 20 cents on this. If you enter my referral code, the same thing, I will also receive 20 cents on my account. Okay, so you click on continue after you input all your information correctly. Okay, so just save your password to your Google account. Now you click on login. Since you have created your account, click on login. Now here comes your dashboard. You save your password again. Okay, so let's go to see if whether we are okay. So our status is waiting for an SMS to receive, and as you can see, we just received an SMS messages here on our smartphone. Just let's check on it. Yeah, so let's check the message. Okay, so now you can see this is the message we just received right now. Yeah, this is the message which you cannot even read it. You can always delete them when you receive them. Let's get back to our account or app. Okay, so let me see my balance now. Okay, so you can see you have 27 euros here, where the minimum withdrawal amount is 2 euros. So let me show you how you guys can withdraw money from your account. You just have to go to the settings and make your withdrawal method. Okay, so you choose your payment method here. Okay, so you select your payment method, which is Bitcoin, PayPal or Web Money. If it's PayPal, just enter your PayPal email address here. Okay, then save your payment method. Like get back. So you can also earn money by referring people to the app with your referral code. Say please share your referral code with your friends and get paid 30% from their referrals. Your friends will also receive the 0.25 euros bonus if they enter your referral code upon registration. So just tap on the code to copy your referral code and share with your friends to earn money on this. Okay, so I hope this video is very grateful, and it took me a lot of days for research to get this app. I hope all my subscribers or viewers can make money on this app. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.